Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. It's a 4K dash cam. So I'm going to show you it here, and then we will set it up in the car. But I'll at least show you all the pieces and parts before we do that. So inside, here we have a instruction, and it has an app as well that it will connect up to that. So, and then we have in here, we have something. Let's see all these pieces and parts. I'll try to kind of keep it neat so I can put it back together in my car. But this is what the device will look like here. So this is going to be the thing that will sit in your window. So that'll be facing out at the world. And then this will be your little screen to see it in here. And it has a Wi-Fi connection as well on there. I'm going to leave that sticker on there for right now. We have the cigarette plug lighter. So that's how it's going to get its power. We have, it looks like a long extension for this camera here. So this is going to probably be the rear camera. So that'll mount on the rear of the car. And this one here has a camera, so it'll face, this one here is going to face out the front window. And then this one here will face the people in the passenger compartment. So you'll be able to have out the front, passenger compartment, and way out the back window with this one here. And then this is the suction cup that will mount it to the window. So we have all those different pieces and parts here. We have the little adapter, I guess that's going to connect it to the computer, so you can connect to it there. Oh, the micro SD reader, and a little ejector tool, and some sticker stuff just to run the wires, and a little pry tool so you can run the wire around your dashboard. So that's everything that you get in there. So the next video I will show you is kind of it set up on my car, but that's what it's going to look like there. So we'll be able to see the camera on it. How cool is that? So I'm going to go ahead and set this up on the car so you'll see it all together shortly. Okay, oh, I got it. Okay, so it's the 3-channel dash cam 4K. So look at this. How cool is that? It's got 3 screens there. It's got this one here is just hanging right now because I have to put it in my back window or something. But you can see it's got a good video of it as well. Oops, I probably ran out of batteries. I have it was running on battery mode. But I do have the plug here. I'm going to go plug that in. I'll be right back. So you'll see when it goes, okay, so here it is back on again. So here it has the camera. This will be the rear one, but you can see right now if I just shine it out there, oops, if I shine it out the window, it's got a good quality video for sure. There I am on it as well. And you can see, and then here is the one facing towards me, which right now you can see, hi, I can wave, I can do that. I can aim it. Oh, I can aim it like this. So there, it's up a little bit. So you can have a good camera. I can see even the passenger over there. So if I'm running like an Uber or something like that, I'll totally be able to see it. And then this is the one out the front, so I can aim it probably a little bit better to actually see the street. There. So there, it's doing everything. It came with the flash card in it right over here. The back cap camera, the rear camera connected up here. The plug camera connected there. And I can follow the wire down, and I just plugged it into my cigarette lighter, which is in there. This is actually for my van. I'm in my Tesla right now, so that's why I don't have it as a permanent fixture, but I will be putting it in there. And there, I think it goes into like a screen timeout, so the screen's just not on all the time, but it is still going to record on motion and things like that. So totally awesome. I like it and super cool, and it has an app. I'll show you the app real quick as I connect to that as well.